Brandbook published the guidelines. Now, BrandLaunch builds the go-to-market plan, roadmap, budget, communications, social media campaign, and marketing collateral. All AI generated from the Brand Foundation. Step 1. Launch strategy. A complete 90-day roadmap in 3 phases: foundation and preparation, launch and momentum, growth and optimization. Key activities, milestones, and timelines for each. North Star metrics, waitlist signups, and initial product sales. Strategic metrics, tracking Instagram growth, media mentions, and product reviews. All with targets, frequencies, and benchmarks. Budget allocation across 6 channels. Paid ads at 30%, PR at 25%, social at 20%. Estimated range, $25,000 to $40,000. 5 risks assessed from minor to critical, each with mitigation strategies. And 5 prioritized recommendations to act on: 2 critical, 2 high, 1 medium.